guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new. I'm sorry, I've been away for a while. School just recently started back up, so I'm trying to figure out filming schedule along with school schedule. But if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I have been posting pictures of makeup looks, so be sure you guys follow me on that, and I'll leave it in the description box down below. But now I am back, and I will be doing a eyeshadow tutorial today. I'll be using the Norvina palette by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. But before we get started, be sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post bell notification before you leave so you never miss a new video like this one. And follow me on my social media, and also comment down below what you guys want to see next in my videos. Other than that, let's get started. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm sure you guys have all seen it, have it. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. This like purple and this purple. Purple's like my favorite color, so I love those colors. The first thing I'm taking, which I just applied, is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and this is in the shade Original. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all in. I'm gonna go ahead and take base on like this little flat kind of brush. It has like the tiniest bit of shimmer in it, and I'm just gonna set the primer with it. I just like to do that. I know primer, like eye primers, you don't have to do that, but I do with my eye primer. So I'm gonna go in with this light brown color right here, and I'm gonna start blending that into my crease, doing windshield washer motions and circular motions. This is just gonna be like the transition for the look. And I'm also using a very light hand with it. I'm next gonna go in with the purple color Soul on another fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that into the crease as well. I'm going a little bit lower than where that brown was placed. Taking a small little brush like this, and I'm going to be taking Passion, which is this darkish color right here, and I'm going to start packing that into the outer corner. And then I'm just going to take a different brush. This is clean, it's just stained. And I'm just going to kind of like blend that out. I'm then going to be taking Dazzling, and I'm just going to be using my finger to apply it because it's easier. And I'm just going to be applying it on this part, the inner part of my eye. And I'm not going to cut my crease today. I normally would, but because I don't want to lose that purple, I'm just going to apply it with my finger. There is a lot of fallout, so just be aware. I'm then gonna go back in with Soul on like another little flat domed brush, and I'm just gonna blend the edges out in the crease. And then I'm going to take a little blender brush and just blend everything out. And lastly, I'm going to take the little pencil brush again and the color Passion, and I'm going to go ahead and blend the outer corners out where the glitter meets the dark corner color. I'm going to be taking a flat liner brush, and I'm going to go in with this brownish color right here, and I'm going to go ahead and start packing that under the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Soul and do the same thing. And I'm going to apply it more to the inner part of my eye. And that's what it looks like. I'm not a huge fan of like the lower lash line, so that's why I kind of did it like that. I'm going to go ahead and do brows, mascara, and liner off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. So I'll be right back. Alright, this is the look. I went ahead and I added the color Dreamer, which is right here in the palette, to my brow bone and my inner corner for the inner corner highlight. I think this look turned out so pretty. It's very light because of the purple, but then the dark reddish color in the outer corner ties it like all together. And the gold on the lid. I love how this look turned out. I used Tarte's Lights Camera Flashes for mascara, and then I also went in with e.l.f.'s Brow Kit in medium and Rimmel's Brow This Way Gel and Clear. For liner, I went in with NYX Retractable Eyeliner in black. This is my favorite eyeliner. I think I say it in almost every video, or I say it on all my Instagram posts. But yeah, I think this look turned out really pretty. I do love it. I think every time I do a different makeup look, it always turns out really pretty, and it really makes my brown eyes pop. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what video you'd like to see next time on my channel, and be sure to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Also, follow me on social media, which I will leave down in the description box below. And turn on the post bell notification so you never miss when I upload a video. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!